For years now, if we've wanted a universal holster, we really haven't had a whole lot of options. Mainly the cheap, junky nylon holsters like this one here. Well, I'm proud to say that those days are over. Now we can throw those things out because we have a pretty innovative product here. We've got a universal holster in the N8 Tactical MultiFlex holster. This one from our good friends at Crossbreed Holsters. Found this one when I was looking for a holster for my Avidity Arms PD10 here, and works out really well. It's really cool, and I'm glad to see that there's finally some type of an upgrade out there over those, again, junky nylon holsters. We're going to get this thing over on the table, take a closer look at it. So let's go. Let's get started taking a look at this holster, shall we? Now, obviously, I'm using it for my Avidity Arms PD10 N30 Super Carry here. Just a quick check for clear. And yeah, it said 30 Super Carry. If that cartridge intrigues you like it does me, a lot more content on the channel and coming on the channel. So hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all that good stuff. Now, I was kind of confused by this holster at first, it being the N8 Tactical MultiFlex. And this is from our friends over at Crossbreed Holsters, but seems to be branded something different. So I don't know if they bought out an existing company or this being sort of a universal fit that maybe they wanted to, separate this from their other line. I don't know the exact details on that. Just thought that was kind of weird. As you can see, I have this set up in an OWB outside the waistband configuration here. But this also comes with the necessary hardware to switch it back over to inside the waistband if that happens to be your bag, right? You can tell that it is an open bottom, and that makes it really good as far as being able to properly hold and secure the longer barrel, larger handguns. There are two different versions of this. You've got a compact, and then you've got a large version of the MultiFlex holster here. So you'll want to make sure and double check and figure out for your particular handgun which version you're going to need. Outside of that, you're pretty much set and good to go. Pretty good quality. I'm guessing this is some type of injection molded plastic, and a fairly universal mold or cutout. I don't know if you're going to be able to see down in here, but you've got some little places back in here that these 2 points back here and right here are adjustable. Got some adjustments there. And so what you do is you take your handgun, you're going to slide that in there, and you've got, of course, those that are going to help adjust the fit as well as the retention. And it's not an active retention, it's just a friction style retention on this thing. And then you've also got the rubber style spacers here in between. You can see probably this one is bulging a little bit. That's going to allow you to adjust kind of the width or whatever of this holster, right? To better fit, better secure, and of course provide better friction retention for whatever handgun that you have out there. So I think this is a really cool modern take on the old nylon stuff for quite a few reasons. First of all, it's not soft like the old nylon holsters. It's the hard shell plastic, so less of a chance. First of all, it's gonna fit, I think, ride and wear better. But with the hard plastic, less of a chance of something getting into that trigger guard, I think, which is really cool. And that open bottom, it's been an issue with the old nylon style universal holsters for many years. Is the vast majority of those have a closed bottom, and then so you either have to put a smaller handgun in a larger holster or cut the bottom out, cut the threading at the bottom so it's opened up. A lot of just goofy things, right? And I get it. There could be potentially a drawback with the open bottom as well. But at the end of the day, I do think this is a pretty nifty, pretty nice holster for a universal holster, and a great advancement, a great innovation, a great advancement on the goofy old school nylon holsters that we're so used to. So I've been using this MultiFlex holster for the Avidity Arms PD10 for a couple of weeks now. Again, that OWB configuration, just how I carry. Really happy that the barrel doesn't hang out too much, but accommodates that Gideon Judge optic really well. Tension, nothing to it. It's pretty good. Every now and then I got to tweak the tension, screws and the fit just a little bit, just to my liking. And I think that's more is like the holster kind of gets shape, and depending on how hot it is, of course it's Texas because it's summertime and it's getting hot. So that's going to have to happen. Overall, I think I'm really happy with it. If you're out there and you are still using one of those old junky nylon holsters as your universal fit holster, then you may want to look into one of these N8 Tactical Flex Fit holsters from Crossbreed. And to help you out with that, I'll drop a link down in the description below. Now, remember that there are two options in this. There's the compact version, and then there's the large version. So make sure that you do a little bit of homework and you pick the version that's going to work best for the handgun that you're dealing with. As far as this video, I think we're done. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.